I want to tell you a quick story. A while back, someone messaged me and said, Yemi, I really want to start YouTube, but I am not good with technology. I'm not good tech savvy. And I knew exactly what they meant because that used to be me. And if that sounds like you today, stay with me. My name is Yemi, and I help people over 40 to break past fear, self doubt, and tech overwhelm so that they can confidently start and grow on YouTube. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to start YouTube over 40 without tech skills. Nothing complicated, but in a human, possible. When you're over 40, the desire to start something new often comes quietly. It sounds like I have something to say, I've learned so many things, or maybe I could help someone out there. But then the fear shows up. I am not tech savvy, I'll press wrong buttons, or everyone on YouTube already knows what they are doing. They've all have it all figured out. That fear isn't about tech. It's about feeling left behind. One day I realized something. Yes, the bell rang in my head. If you can use smartphone, send message, make a phone call, and scroll on social media, you already have enough tech skills to start a YouTube. YouTube isn't about being technical, but it's about being willing. Let me simplify this. To start YouTube over 40, you only need 4 things. Number one, a smartphone. So it could be your iPhone or your Android phone. You also need a Google account. Yes, you need a Google account. You need an internet, a microphone, an inexpensive one. This is the one I started with. I got it on Amazon for, I think I got it for £10. That's it. That's all the 4 things you need to start. No fancy camera, no laptop, no editing degree. All that will come later. The scariest part isn't setting up the channel. It is pressing the record button. You sit down there and think, what am I going to say to people? Do I sound silly? Who am I to do this? You ask yourself many questions, but here's what changed everything for me. Instead of managing thousands of people, what I did was to imagine one person that needs to hear what I've learned. Sit down near a window, just as I am doing now. Hold your phone and speak like you're having a conversation with a friend. Connection beats perfection all the time. Also, I used to think that editing involves complicated software, and the truth is that it doesn't. Editing simply means cutting out the mistakes, trim, upload, done. And here is the moment most people don't talk about, and that is after you have uploaded your first video. Nothing dramatic happens, you didn't break anything, no applause, no viral moment, but something important changed. You did it. Yes, you uploaded your first video. So you think, I'm not that far behind. I'm not far behind. And that is confidence. It starts quietly. Trust me. Most people don't fail on YouTube because they have no tech skills, but they fail because they want to feel ready. They want to wait for the appropriate time. The truth is that you don't become confident before you start. The confidence comes because you start. So it's not the other way around. So if you're over 40 and you've been waiting for that sign to start, then this is the sign. This is it. Subscribe to ResourcefulYem if you want simple, honest guidance on how to start on YouTube without fear or tech overwhelm. And comment below, what has been holding you back from starting? I'll read all the comments and respond accordingly. You are not alone. So press that record button, start today, and I will see you at my next video. Take care and God bless.